Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the gift card type and where you'll redeem it. If you have Google Play code, open Play Store. If Apple, open App Store. If a region card, match the region. Once done, sign into the same account that your Mobile Legends uses so purchases land correctly. Make sure your device is online and the game is up to date. This prevents syncing errors later. Now redeem the code in the store before opening Mobile Legends. You redeem the code inside the platform store first, entering the code exactly and checking the balance afterwards. Then open Mobile Legends, go to Shop, and select Diamonds. Once you pick a pack, the in-app purchase prompt will use your store balance. Approve the transaction. If you use regional pricing or bundles, choose the pack that gives best value. Make sure to watch the confirmation screen so you know the purchase completed. Otherwise, the game may not credit. After purchase, you should see diamonds in your account or in-game mail. Check your profile balance to confirm. If they don't appear, restart the game and wait a few minutes so the server can sync. Sometimes purchases need a short delay. If the problem persists, note the transaction ID from your store receipt and contact Google/Apple or Mountain support. Provide the ID, time, and account name. That troubleshooting step resolves most missing diamond issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.